Hello everyone, my name is Pat Ugu. I am an educational technology expert. Like, I teach how to use digital tools to improve teaching and learning. I've been doing this for so many years now. In fact, I have a blog and a YouTube channel where I do this. I've taught so many students how they can use technology to learn. I have also taught so many teachers, coaches, and corporate trainers on how to use technology to teach and do their training. I have realized that so many people do not know how they can sell their course online. This is the reason why I am creating this course to help such people. Now, let us look at this video for our introduction. You will agree with me that we are in knowledge economy. Like, there are a lot of people making money selling digital products, and you know that online course is one of them. The market for online courses is very huge. A lot of people are looking out to learn one thing or the other. So you don't need to miss out by not creating something. You need to start creating courses so that you sell and get your own share in this particular market. And if you are wondering what to sell, there are a whole lot of things you can sell. Things like mathematics, languages, tutorials, teaching people how to code. In fact, there is a new trend now about mini courses. Your course don't have to be 2 hours, 4 hours. No. It can be as short as 30 minutes, 45 minutes. The important thing is that there is a knowledge that is not out there you want to pass out. And you have a lot of things to help you, like AI. You can just go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a course outline, and it will create a curriculum for you. From there, you will start to develop it. During the course of this particular course, you will see how to record your screen if it is a screen recording course that you want to create. So nothing should limit you. The problem with a lot of people is implementation. They will learn this, learn that without trying to implement. So after learning this course, go out there and start creating your own. You will also see how you can market it. You will never know who and who may be interested in your course. Don't think that people already know this, people already know that. Just make that course. You'll see people who are interested in learning from you. Remember what I said? Implementation, that is where success is. Now, there are so many benefits you can get from online courses. Things like passive income. When you have online course, you can be waking up every morning and you will be seeing credit alerts on your bank account. So you get a lot of passive income. You can use it to share your expertise so that people will get to know what you do. Another benefit is that online course has low overhead, meaning that you don't need to break a bank in order to create online course. One good thing is that it is high in demand. Like, so many people want to get online course, they want to learn one thing or the other and all of that. You can as well use online course to build your brand. Like, you have goods or services that you render. Online course can help you to build this brand. You can as well be doing it basically to help others. Okay, so whatever the reason is, online course is okay, and the future of online course is very, very bright. That brings us to the end of this lesson. See you in the next class.